It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Quick intermission. As you can see, I got the wheels on, right? But the issue is I got the X1 rotors, which work perfectly, and then I got the 328i calipers, which work perfectly. But there is a small issue, so I guess I wouldn't say perfectly, but it rubs just like a little bit on the tip of the front side of the rotor, or the front side of the caliper. I got a Dremel, so I'm gonna take this wheel off. As you can see, I'm gonna jack the car up, or jack the car up, take the wheel off, you know, the right order. And then I'm gonna shave it down a little bit, show you guys, and then I'm gonna put the wheel back on, and then the car should roll. Right now, the car won't actually roll or move because the caliper is touching the wheel. So I'm gonna shave that down just a little bit, and then you'll see. So. All right, so right here, you can see we rubbed a little bit. So we're gonna take that down. On the caliper, on the inside is rubbing right here. Hold on, let me give you a better view. On the inside is rubbing here, where you can see. So we'll shave that down a little bit, maybe like a 1/10 of an inch, maybe. It'll be fine, as long as it doesn't make contact. Also, if you see the rotor that I have, these rotors are from R1 Concepts. And I also have, you know, toe camber arms, solid. And then I got coilers on for Megan. But I had to trim these. I just got some metal trimmers. If you have something electric, it'll probably be a little better. But just trim it all the way around. Make sure it doesn't touch, you know what I'm saying? All the way around there. And that was my setup, so I will start the trimming. All right, guys, so just a quick reminder, make sure when you're using power tools, especially things that have metal shavings going everywhere, make sure that you use gloves. I wear long sleeves so the chips don't hit me in the arm, and I always have eye protection on. I just put it up, but it's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. But to make these wheels really fit with weights on them, because I always run weights, you know, at high speeds on the track. You don't want your car to be vibrating. That's just bad news. But I ran 24mm spacers on the back. That way it kept the wheel weights in the front, away from the front of the rotor, and also away from the bottom. I had to shave this down a little bit, which is the rear control, or rear, I don't know, I have toe camber arms, but it's I had to shave these down just a little bit, not enough. I don't want it to be thin, you know, in this area, if you can see that, but right here. But I shaved it down a little bit so the weights can clear it. The weights clear it fine. They clear here in the beginning. So So this is how much, I know people are gonna ask how much did I take off? How much of the brake caliper did I take off? This is it. I don't know if you can really see, you know, but this is how much I took off. It's quite a bit, but I wanted to make sure it works. Some of this is dirt, just a tiny bit though, but most of it is like the metal shavings. I just swept it off the floor, dirt pan, but I just swept it off the floor. That's pretty much it. That's some more that I gotta continue to sweep up, but yeah, it's a lot that has to be done to get these to work, so. All right, so there you guys see the results. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel down below. All the links that you guys want to see as far as like where I got the parts down below. And then except the spacers, you're just gonna have to find your own spacers because I got those spacers like a long time ago in Germany. But again, thank you for watching, and until next time, we out.